This is a customer. It's an iPhone 12. The customer said the phone had no sound. After testing, I confirmed the problem was the main audio IC. Here's the issue. The audio IC sits extremely close to the CPU, and on the back side of the board is the NAND. Both of these major chips are sealed with underfill, and they are very sensitive to heat. If you try to remove the audio IC with a hot air gun, the high temperature can easily damage the CPU or the NAND, or even lift their solder pads. The risk is very high. Next, we're going to use this special soldering iron tip. This one is called a horseshoe tip because the audio IC is large. We need a soldering tip with a bigger contact surface to transfer heat evenly and efficiently. This type of tip is perfect for our purpose and allows us to remove the audio IC safely without exposing the CPU or NAND to high heat. Now, we clean the old solder residue on the iron and apply a fresh layer of solder. This helps the tip transfer heat more evenly and makes the removal process much smoother. Now let's start the removal. With the temperature set to 400 degrees Celsius, we gently touch the audio IC using the soldering iron tip to let the heat soak evenly into the chip. Once the solder begins to soften, we use a fine needle tool to carefully pry up the IC from the edge. Just like that, the chip comes off cleanly, without exposing the CPU or the NAND to dangerous high temperatures